My name is Dr. Keith Whitten, and this is the final video in a series of 6 videos in which I am introducing the calendar clock. Now, in my first video, I told you a bit about my book, Introducing Monadic Spacetime and the Calendar Clock, and explained to you the importance of the axial perspective. Then, in video number 2, I gave you some basic astronomy terms and principles which will help you better understand how to read the date on a calendar clock. Then, in video number 3, I showed you how and why to fix the sun at 12 and how that turns the Earth-centered solar system into the three-dimensional face of a calendar clock. In video number 4, I showed you the posters and explained to you how to extract the most information out of a calendar clock, how to read the digital date at a glance. In video number 5, I showed you a 72-second animation, which is what the calendar clock looks like when you accelerate it at a rate of 1 month every 3 seconds. Alright, I suppose my next step will be to turn this animation into a working computer program, one which accurately tells the time and the date, both now and when you accelerate it into the past or the future. Eventually, I hope to offer this calendar clock as an application which you can access through your smartphone, complete with a scheduling program. And ultimately, my goal is to build a three-dimensional calendar clock, one which you can set on a table or a pedestal in your office or home and walk around it and interact with it like a sculptural computer. And I can't wait to have one of those myself. So, in summary, 500 years ago, we replaced the Earth at the center with the Sun, and that led to great advances in our understanding of physics, leading to a theory of gravity, resulting in the Industrial Revolution and modern society as we are now living it. But it also made the Earth and everything on it seem somehow less important, like we were just some insignificant speck of dust floating in the vast void immensity of deep, dark space. But you see, that is a view which is based upon some generic abstract spacetime, and there is no generic abstract spacetime. Each planet is the center of a unique spacetime. Martian spacetime is a lot different from the spacetime of Jupiter or Saturn or Earth. Now, a sun-centered cosmology emphasizes the head and thinking. In contrast, Earth-centered is heart-centered. And it should be obvious that the heart and the head are equally important. Now, we've been stuck in our heads for way too long, and it's time to get back to focusing on the heart and the Earth. Now, we've known for many years that the Earth is not the center of the universe, but that does not mean that it is not important. Far from it. Earth is, and likely always will be, the center of space-time as we will ever know it. My goal for this calendar clock, my main primary hope, is that it will restore the Earth to the center of our collective attention. Earth needs our attention now more than ever before. By the way, this calendar clock also makes for an excellent festival timer. It clearly demonstrates and explains the importance of the solstices and the equinoxes. On a healthy planet, we would celebrate these 4 yearly events as worldwide festivals. Can you imagine how great that would be? All right. I hope you will buy my book and read it. It's available from this website. There's a lot more in it that I don't talk about in these videos. Things like axial precession, predicting eclipses, and there's a nice short history of space and time. So I'll eventually be offering posters for sale also, and I'll keep you updated on the progress and development of the calendar clock, coming soon to a computer near you. All right. Thanks for watching.